Knock, knock. Who's there? House. House who? Your house. That's right. We are in Fairway Palms Precinct. That is a guard-gated community. Great neighborhood where Brent and I happen to live here in Fiji on Denarau Island, which is about 15 minutes from the international airport. We have a great 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath rental property for you to see today. And as you can see, if you're looking for entertaining, big, great room, lots of sitting, there's that Pacific green furniture that we love. Big vaulted ceilings, look at that. Oh, we love that in Fiji. Gorgeous woodwork, 2-story home, big swimming pool and patio. Big screen TV is just waiting for you to turn on. All your Fisher Paykel appliances. We're going to come back here and you're going to see you have a separate laundry room and you have access to the side yard. Nice little local foliage there. Lots of shelves and storage here, and then you have direct access. You have direct access to the garage area there where you can keep all your belongings. And you can see you have a gas stovetop over there. Nice oven with your microwave, fridge, double sink island, and dishwasher. So here's your great room. Some Fijian art here. Notice the old clubs. This is part of a tanoa bowl where they drink kava out of. So very traditional piece of artwork here. You can see the cowrie shells. And this is all on masi. So lots of fun Fijian island design in here. Great custom tile work. And again, there's that entryway. So walk with me, we're gonna go upstairs. And this property again has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Look at that. Man, don't you wanna just dive right in there? And you have, the great thing is you have a covered patio all along here. You can have a lot of guests and friends over. Plus you have the grass play area here. And then actually the golf course, Denarau Golf Course is just back there. We're gonna see that as we come up to the 3 bedrooms. And you have nice little sitting area here too. So if you're a writer or you just love to read and just want a place to relax or meditate, really nice place to do that. And when you're up here, you have some nice water views. Here is one of the bedrooms. And what's great is you have your private outside terrace just here. So really nice to come out and sit and enjoy yourself. Here is the shower enclosure. Nice, good sized bathroom with that extra storage. Some nice light coming through there as well. And what's cool is, let me just show you on this bedroom on the side here. So you get that natural light from the great room. And then if you want to shut that, obviously these curtains will provide that extra privacy, but you can see down into the great room with the fans, air conditioners, and that custom wood. And then you have your built-ins, your wardrobes here and here. So also an extra storage closet for bigger items. So really well thought out home, and you can see the really nice polished wood floors there. Okay, so we're gonna go to bedroom number 2. So all the bedrooms are upstairs. Here's that built-in wardrobe. And they had this previously, the kids stayed in with the parents here. So plenty of room. So if you do have a family and you're coming to Fiji, this is a great family-friendly house for you to consider as well. Really nice yard, great precinct. We know that because we live here ourselves. Very close to Port Denarau Marina and all the shopping, restaurants, retail, all the inter-island boat charters actually go out of there too. So you can literally walk to that. You can get out to all the fishing spots, and of course the world-class surfing and scuba diving and snorkeling is literally just steps away. And Denarau Golf Course and the Racket Club are just steps away as well. So bring those tennis rackets, the golf clubs, and of course all your water sports gear, the mask and snorkels. Here is the 3rd bedroom. And again, look at the views over the golf course. So this home could be yours. It's available for rent. Give us a call, +679 999 2051 to learn more. And we will see you right here in this beautiful pool, just waiting for you to get here. Cold drinks in hand, or maybe we'll go out there and do some golfing. We'll be out here. Come find us. Vanaka.